Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This whole video is regarding how you short and what's the setup, right? Because most of the time we make money when a stock goes up in the long side, but when a stock comes down, you can also make some money. So many people in my Discord were asking how can we make money shorting a stock. So that this video is for you, okay? Very important thing is when a stock runs you can make money on the long side, but most of the time you will say after the morning run with time they just gradually slow down, especially the next day or the day after volume dies and they gradually come down. You can make money. And I also heard from many big traders that they make more money shorting a stock compared to going long, because when something is running you get in, there is less chance it goes up. And most of the time people say, oh, when I bought the stock started to come down, right? So this is the opposite, right? When a stock comes down, you make money. But one important thing, if you buy a stock at $10, maximum it can go to zero. But when you short a stock, it can go up infinitely. So you always have to use a stop loss. Without a stop loss, you should not and you must not enter any trade for shorting. Okay, so look at this example here, INTS. In the morning we played this particular ticker symbol. It did a huge run. We were waiting for 8.36 area as a support, so that was the entry for us. And once the market opened, we played long, we made some money. After that we saw it is not breaking that $11. At one point it broke that line 8.3 and it came down. So it came down, wanted to go up, but each time it was getting rejected at 8.7. So how can you construct a short play here? So I'm showing you this on TradingView. So TradingView, you can connect your broker. As an example, IBKR, I connect, but here I'm just showing you from my paper trading account from IBKR. So two things in Canada, if you have a TFSA or RRSP account, you can short. From the margin account, you can. In US, there should be some other things. I don't know because I live in Canada. But if your broker allows you to short, or if you have enough buying power, you can short. So how we want to do it? We want to sell the stock at 8.36 area, because I know this is the area acting like a resistance. So we want to sell 100. Let's say I want to sell at 1.36, right? I want to take profit. Based on the chart, I see that the stock can come all the way to 5.7. So let's say I put 5.8. Once it will come to 5.8, I will close, I will take my profit. Stop loss, mandatory thing. If it goes higher than 8.36, then I was thinking, okay, it will not break, but I'm wrong. That's okay. So let's say after breaking 8.36, if it goes to 8.7, right? In that case, I will take my loss, my stop loss. So what you are seeing here, if the stock comes from here to here, you can make $256 as a profit, right? Because you are selling here, selling higher, buying lower, right? So you're making money. If you are wrong, if it breaks this area, if it goes higher at 8.7, you close, you lose only $34. So risking $34 for a possible entry of $256. Okay, so I click on sell. So this is my setup. Easy, right? Easy. You sell here. If you're wrong, it goes higher. Your stop loss is here. If you give it time, with time it will just come down, down, down. When it comes here, you close it. When closing, it means you're buying it back. Easy. Sometimes it takes 1 day, sometimes it takes 2 days, but most of the time you will see that when it goes higher a lot, with time it comes down. So this is the example for INTS, where we made money in the morning playing long. Now with shorting we are making money. I want to show you another example, SERA. This is another stock. We made a lot of money when it was running in the morning. See the chart here. See the chart. In the morning it was crazy. From $2 went all the way to 9.85. After that it was going down, with next day going sideways, again going down. So sometimes you can miss a hot play which runs 100%, 200%, but with time they will go down, volume goes down, because people always go to the next stock the next day, so volume really goes down. See the volume on that particular day, with time the volume is almost nothing. So if you have a stop loss, this can work. So on that day when it went up, like I was doing it from here, because I can see that 8.36, sorry, 8.2, that area was acting like a resistance. So how you could make a play? Again, you click on sell. I want to sell the stock at 7.2. I want to take profit when the stock will come back to the next support, which is 5.77. So I'm putting here 5.77. And if I'm wrong, my stop loss, maybe I saw last time it went around 7.4. So let's say I'm putting stop loss at 7.5. So my play, how I'm doing my play. So see the play. In case it comes down, I make $143. If I'm wrong, I lose only $30. My maximum loss only $30. Then I click and I put the order. See my order, right, that day. So the way I played that day, and it worked, because you can see that it never went over 7.2. It came down. When it came here, I closed my position. If I just decided to continue with this, and if my stop, not the stop loss, my profit target is here, then I can make $299 for a risk of only $30, right? So this is how you can make money, right? Because it looks really good. Now let's say I want to make more money with another stock. You just look at the support resistance, you look at the pattern, then you take your short, but always have a stop loss. If you're wrong, your stop loss. For $30 risking, you can make $200, $300. So stop loss is a must, okay? You can always practice, or you can always do this with 1 or 2 share just for practice. Once you're more comfortable, you can make more money. You can make money with us long side. If you want, you can also make money with us in the short side. Today and previously also, we made money on the long in the morning, and most of the time when the stock comes down, we make money on shorting. So anyway, give it a try. If I'm publishing the video on YouTube, then yeah, I will leave the link in the first comment, my Patreon link. You can go there and sign up. And for each chart, I always give the support resistance, these levels. So this level will help you to determine at what price you want to short, at what price you want to cover. So just $15 per month. Give it a try. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.